I love you. I love you all so much.
And in our darkest moments, God's pit crew showed up and they said, this is how you do this. And in a spiritual way, just held our hands and walked us through the process of how you recover from this. You know, this is something we've never had to do before, and especially as young pastors, and a lot of pastors will never face anything like this in a lifetime. But I look at them, this entire group was full of people that came in and they became like an ointment to us. They became the Band-Aids and the balm, and they just surrounded us with hope and with courage to take another step.